This is continuation of sample spaces and probability, and I do have an example that I want to start with. It is example from the book 4-3, and we need to find a sample space for gender of children if the family has 3 children. So I am talking about 3 children. And if I'm not sure what the sample space is, one of the good ways to create a sample space is to use a tree diagram. So a tree diagram is going to be one of the tools that you're going to be using throughout the probability chapter. I know that having a child has 2 outcomes. We're going to assume that it's a boy or it's a girl. A tree diagram starts like a tree. It has branches. So during birth number 1, I will either have a boy or a girl. Now, assuming that my first child is a boy, I will then have two more outcomes. My second child will either be a boy or a girl. Now, if I have a girl, I still have either a boy or a girl. So the probability of having a boy or a girl does not depend on previous children. It is always 50%. So, and then I have my birth number 3. Boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, or boy, girl. Now, if I take my highlighter and I'll take just one of those branches, let's say this one, I have an outcome. It's a girl, boy, or a boy. So what I can do is I can actually write all of these down. By following each one of those branches. So my next one would be girl, boy, girl. Girl, boy, girl. Girl, girl, boy. And the last one is all girls. So a complete sample space has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number in the sample space of this particular probability experiment of having 3 children is 8. I can continue this example and ask you the probability of a specific event. My event is having 2 boys and a girl. Now, it doesn't mean that I have to have 2 boys and then 1 girl. What it means is I want 3 children, 2 of them are boys and 1 of them is a girl. So in order for me to outline this, I'm going to take a highlighter. And well, this is 3 boys. My first event is 3 boys. My second event is 2 boys and then a girl. So exactly what I need. But this one is also 2 boys and a girl. It's just that I have a boy and then a girl and then another boy. So this is 2 girls. This is another 2 boys. 1 boy, and no boys. So notice, in order for me to find the probability of this event, I need 3 scenarios that fall under the category of 2 boys and 1 girl and divided by the number in your sample space. So this takes us to the next definition, which is the formula for classical probability.